How to pronounce debris. Debris is a noun with 2 syllables. It can be pronounced in 2 ways. Option 1, it's pronounced debris, with the emphasis on the first syllable. In option 2, the emphasis is on the second syllable. It's pronounced debris. Let's look at an example. Debris or debris lines a beach in Sulawesi, Indonesia. Has this video helped you? Hit like now and continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button now and click the bell icon. Choose all to be notified when there are new videos. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.